Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is the SE Plus model. This is a brand new rear entry conversion. I'll get right to the conversion. The conversion has been done by ATS. It has a rear entry, manual ramp and door. Very easy to operate. Very little to go wrong. Undo the clamps to get the ramp down. I can do all this entire conversion with just 2 fingers. Has the handle on either side. I'm going to choose to use the passenger side, and look at that, I can do that with 1 finger. I can take this to ground using just my index finger. The specs for the conversion itself: the ramp is 34 inches wide. Sorry, we've got a few footprints on there. We'll get those wiped off. It's as you can see, it's a rainy day out. We've had a lot of weather. Everything's dirty, but we've detailed this van fully. We'll wipe those footprints off there. 56 inches coming inside the van, 58 inches of headroom inside the van, and the ramp is 34 inches wide with 800-pound weight capacity. As you can see, the van has 4 in the middle, 2 tie-down points up front. This allows for up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or stretcher. Have the 2 front seats. There's a 21 inches of room between the seats. It's got the floor mats down there. Tie downs there. We put plastic up front on the seat, on the floors. We'll get those floor mats put up there as well. But I got the rear air controls. The dash, pretty much this van is about brand new condition. I can't find really hardly a scratch or dent or ding on it. It's got the backup camera, which is very nice. The controls for the steering wheel, so you're basically your driver, whether it be you or your employees, keep their eyes on the road. Dual climate control, driver side temperature, passenger side temperature. Also has the rear air controls. Got the console there in the middle. Before I forget, this van does not have a spare tire. This is something Dodge is doing with a lot of their vehicles. A lot of car companies with their newer vehicles are not including spare tires. So this van does not have one. They're kind of hard to find, to be honest. They're about $200 or $300. We can find one online for you and get installed if that's something you want to do. Just want to be honest and upfront with you. When you've got your passenger secured, come back over and look again. 1 finger. Put the conversion up. Very easy to do. Very little to go wrong. Clamp it back down. Grab the hatch up here. Shut her down, and you're ready to roll. I'll do a quick walk around on the van. It has tinted windows in the rear, keep you nice and cool this time of year. It's got the 17-inch alloy wheels. These tires, virtually brand new, just like the entire van. Like I said, as I do a walk around on this van, it is very clean. If you were to tell me this is a brand new van, I would believe you. All the tires matched. They're all excellent shape. The conversion on this van has a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. The Dodge conversion is still in effect, has a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty, along with a 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The conversion does not affect the factory warranty whatsoever, so no need to worry there. Give you a shot of the rooftop as well. It's excellent condition. Rear seats look like they've hardly ever been sat in. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke with this van. As you can see, we've got the floor mats down, or the plastic down. The reason we do this, our mechanics move this in the warehouse sometimes. Sometimes their bottoms are dirty from sitting on the floor. These seats are in brand new condition. We put this in just so our mechanics don't get these seats dirty or greasy, especially on our brand new stuff. We're very close to brand new stuff. But yeah, these seats are wonderful condition. No cigarette burns, nothing like that. One other great feature that this van has, it does currently just have 1 key fob. We can get another one made for approximately $150 if you want us to. It does have the keyless start, which is nice. If you're coming out from this time of year, you're coming out from a doctor's appointment or something like that, you can have the air conditioner on. It can be nice and cool by the time you get here. Don't have to get inside a hot car. Guess I better unlock it. There we go. I had the dome light on inside because it was kind of dark today. So I wanted to make sure you got a good look at everything. Put the key in. When we go to turn the vehicle on, all the dummy lights work. Of course, they all go out. Current miles 1,212. So very low miles. Got the backup camera, as you can see. Let's pop the hood so you can look underneath. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. I inspect all these vans personally before we buy them. I look for any signs of damage. I look for any signs of an accident. I look for any signs of water damage. I do not want any of those I just spoke of. We don't buy junk. We buy nice stuff. We buy top of the line stuff. My goal is to get high quality vehicles we can put on the road that we're not going to have any issues with, that our customers aren't going to have any issues with. We spend a little extra money on the original purchase, but I think it saves a lot of trouble for everyone down the road. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Before I get the van on the highway, I always like to show our customers power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Even though this van is virtually brand new, we touch every button, we make sure everything works. Got the rear windows as well. I've got the AC going today. It's nice and humid today, so I'm very glad that we have that. So let's get the van on the highway. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on the highway. Give them a little gas so you can hear them run. I'm not going to drive this van too awful much because it's basically brand new. And I want to keep the miles down for the next owner. So I'll get a little 2 or 3 mile stretch here. We'll get it up to 70 miles an hour. You hear the engine run and the transmission shift. Please keep in mind on our rear entry vans, our new conversions, we only do clean titles. We don't have any hidden administrative fees. We don't have any document fees. Got it up to 70 miles an hour there. The steering wheel's not bouncing back and forth. It's driving nice and straight down the highway like a brand new van. Cruise control works. We'll offer free delivery anywhere in the lower 48 states. We also have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and almost 500 positive reviews on eBay and 0 negative reviews. So when you add everything together, no one can compete with our price, no one can compete with our reputation, and no one can compete with our service after the sale. So what I'll do is I'll take the next exit, I'll give the van a hard brake at the bottom of the exit so you can see there's no brake noise. Coming in about 50 miles an hour here. I'll give it a nice hard brake right here. There's no one behind me, I'm watching. See, the steering wheel's not bouncing back and forth. We don't have warped rotors. We don't have any front end issues. Again, I know I've said this a few times. This is basically a brand new Dodge Caravan. So if you ever want to check out this van or any of the vans on our lot, please give us a call. Sometimes we're out doing things like this. We know your time is valuable. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. We're also servicing Dallas, Texas now. We have a small location down there. So if you're down that way, keep us in mind. Let us know how we can help you. Always check out our website, www.mobility316.com. It's up and running 24 hours a day. And if you ever want to see one of our vans before you agree to purchase, give us a call. Maybe we can put it on a trailer and bring it out to you. We can't work for free, but we can work for a reasonable rate, so you're satisfied that you're making good investment. So as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.